Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Ven Perp. About to show y'all how to use LMMS. I'm gonna try my best here to make this make sense. So I got all my instruments here. It's pretty much just like FL Studio. All your samples right here is on my packs. I will be using for the most part sounds from the Modsonix.xyz secret sauce pack. This is the instrumental for my song That's Life, which is streaming everywhere. I'm using this for this tutorial because it was the first beat that came up. So here's the intro, first chorus, verse right here, second chorus. I arranged things if you want to. See, we're into the first chorus. Go back to that intro for a second. We just got Omnisphere and the 808. Let me open up the piano roll. You don't have gross beat in here. You can probably get gross beat to work in here. I haven't tried it. I just do it the hard way and go to piano roll and hit the quantize and lock it down to 64 and put all these little dashes and dots in there, you know, because yeah, this is what it looks like in 64. You can fill those up into tiny little slivers and make it go crazy. It's tedious, but I enjoy tedium sometimes. This is just my little Omnisphere melody here. It's an ARP. I like ARPs. They're fun. Let me show you which one it is. I'm not like Kenny Beats and hide all my stuff. You can see it. Not a dig to Kenny Beats at all. Eternal Changeling EVO. There. Yeah. The 808. I'll show you what that is. See? You like my mouth 808 there. So back to the chorus. Now we see we got the kick, the snare, the hi-hat, perks. The way you get your oh, and if you've never programmed beats before, this is 4 blocks of 16. There's your hi-hat, you know, right there. 4 blocks of 16. So, and your snare is hitting on the 2 and the 4. But anyway, perk is a pickaxe sound, and the hi-hat is a beer bottle sound. Yeah, Modsonix.xyz, pretty cool stuff. But the way you get your kicks and snares to really punch like that, you go over here to your envelope and you turn that amount all the way up, and you release, sustain, and decay all the way down. So you make a nice little box like that. Do that with your kick and your snare, and it will make them pop right out of the mix a little bit better. And don't forget to put a little reverb on your snare if it needs it. Don't be afraid to add a little reverb, but don't put any on your damn kick drum or your 808. Nah, sometimes it's okay on the kick drum, but really don't go crazy. Don't go crazy with reverb. I don't know, do what you want to. I don't like to go crazy with reverb. Let me not tell you what to do with your music. So anyway, we got another little perk here. It's just a little effect sound that I, you know, kind of chopped up a little bit. And then this little organ type sound is actually a choir sound that put a chorus on and a little bit of high pass filter, and I reversed it, and now it sounds kind of like organ, but it's really a choir that I got off of some royalty free sample pack on the internet. Found it off some blog, I think. Let me see, what else do we got? I mean, I think that's about it, really. That's the chorus right there, you know? And drum fill goes on this drum fill right there. So let's pick back up in the actual sequence right about there, so you can catch an idea of how I lay things out. This is where the verse starts, right here. So you can follow the mouse here. It goes into the different sections. The hi-hat come in on that one. That's that beat. See how kick going? It's just the 808, omnisphere, hi-hat, snare. Now we got the kick drum in there, and the perks. That one, and that one. And then it goes like that. And once the chorus comes back in, that little Dirty Sprite choir comes back in along with the guitar, and then the vocal right to the chorus. So yeah, if you want to hear the full song, it's everywhere from YouTube to Deezer to MediaNet to Spotify to iTunes to Napster. Ven Perp streaming everywhere. This is just one of the songs, and I hope that you found this tutorial useful. Give Linux Multimedia Studio a chance if you've never used it before and you've been curious about making beats, but you don't really feel like shelling out $100 for some fancy software or whatever. You know, I shouldn't even say fancy, because it's all pretty much the same. You can do everything in this program that you can do in any other program. The learning curve is a little bit steeper in some people's opinions, but I like this program a lot. I have FL, but I still come back to this and use this one because that's just my personal preference. Everyone's different and everything's fine. Just make sure you create something. Thanks for watching, everybody.